Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix car fuses. First, locate your car's fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard. Next, consult your owner's manual to find the fuse diagram. This diagram helps identify which fuse corresponds to which component. Always ensure your car is off before attempting any fuse work. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical systems. We'll cover the simple steps to get your car's electrical components working again. Once you've located the fuse box, open it carefully. Look at the fuses. A blown fuse often has a visibly broken wire inside or appears discolored. If it's not obvious, use a fuse tester or a multimeter to check for continuity. A good fuse will show continuity, while a blown one will not. Use the plastic fuse puller, usually found in the fuse box lid, to gently remove the faulty fuse. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short circuits. After removing the blown fuse, it's crucial to replace it with one of the exact same amperage and type. Check the fuse's rating, typically printed on its top, like 15A or 20A. Using a fuse with a higher amperage can cause serious electrical damage or even a fire. Gently push the new fuse into the empty slot until it's seated firmly. Once replaced, turn on your car and test the component that was previously not working. To prevent future issues, always keep a small assortment of spare fuses in your glove compartment. This way, you're prepared for unexpected blowouts on the road. If a particular fuse keeps blowing, it indicates a deeper electrical problem that needs professional attention. Don't just keep replacing it. That's a symptom, not a cure. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Taking these steps ensures your car's electrical system remains reliable and safe for all your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.